guys, so what's up? We're back at it with yet another video, and today we have a few boxes here that we're going to unbox. We have a few pairs of these, which I've had for a few days. These are all sold to my boy Brandon, who I'm going to SneakerCon Bay Area with. I will be in Los Angeles for spring break, so I'm hoping to see some of you guys there. The Los Angeles area, and then I'll be flying up to San Francisco for Bay Area SneakerCon. I'm very hyped for that. The reason I have all these shoes primarily is because of the products I'm going to, of course, promote. This monitor is insane. I'm in a few monitors, a lot of them are slow. This one normally beats them by a second, which in restocks is actually, it's important because when something's being monitored, you want it to be faster. This monitor is extremely fast. It's called Strike Cook Chat, something like that. I'll link their Twitter down below if you want to go check it out. I think it's pretty expensive, but it's definitely worth it. You guys can see we have, I believe this is 6 or 7 pairs of black cements, but I also got Big Bang foams, which are over there. That was 1000% because of the group, because they just randomly dropped on Foot Locker. But we got 2 undefeated packages. These are also because of the monitor. Thank you to Strike Cook Chat if you guys want to join. I think they're sold out right now, but they're doing a restock probably soon, so I need you guys to go over there and go support them. Also go support my Twitter at @MattMyers30, my Instagram at @MattMyers30, my Snapchat at @MattMyers30, and my Instagram at CleeSneak, which is my most followed one because that's my selling account. So go hit all those up. We're gonna get right into the unboxings of all these shoes right here. And guys, so what is up? We're back with yet another video. Before we do start, I need you guys to do one thing really fast. This YouTube channel is about to hit 10,000 subscribers, and that's a really large number. I just want to say thank you guys in advance. We're almost there. And a video from a while ago, I went to school, wore a crazy outfit. The backpack ended up being fake, which kind of ruined the video, but I'll do it next year with probably a $5,000 outfit. This last year was really like 2 grand, but now we're gonna bump it up. So I'll do the same video in a few months. Back to the real video, we have a few pairs of shoes to show. The first thing we have is a bunch of bricks, which I like to call the black cement Jordan 3s. I know a lot of you guys like these. We have a few pairs of these, like here's a smaller size, here's like an 8. Yeah, there's a few pairs of these lined up. You probably saw it in the B-roll already. Pretty decent shoe. Pretty standard Jordan box, nothing too special. These are all sold, by the way, to my boy Brandon. He bought every single pair I got. I think I had like 7 or 8 pairs. Pretty decent shoe. It's not the worst quality, but the paint quality is really, really, really bad. Like, it looks like smudges of paint right here. Oh no, you can't really see it that well, but there's a good look at the shoe. So these were bought from Kith from the LeBron drop. I kind of panicked. I didn't get the LeBrons because I was stuck in this stupid shuttle queue. Please stop doing that, Kith. Like, all you websites, just stop. Okay, let us eat. I don't need the shuttle queue. No shuttle queue, please. I hate it. So these came in a Kith box. They're very thick. They're kind of dope though. I respect the GOAT, aka LeBron James. I have a LeBron James autograph right there. I have a LeBron James portrait. I have another LeBron James poster, then a LeBron James fathead, then a LeBron James Heat poster. You guys know what we do in Cleveland. We're fans of the King. So these are raw. It's the King shorts, the GOAT shorts. So I mean, what does it even mean anymore? I don't know. It's the King. There's a Kid LeBron logo, pretty nice, and then just like all this gold stuff. All right, so here's the Big Bang foams. These are gorgeous. These are definitely going up in value. These are way better in person, and if you want a pair, I definitely think you should get them. It's like a really nice galaxy looking colorway. Like, look at it. It's just, I think they look better than the original galaxies. They're just amazing. So these, I believe I sold for $450 on GOAT, so shout out to GOAT. I really don't sell to the public that much because there's too many scammers and I don't have time to deal with it. Plus GOAT normally pays more. So how did I get these? Foot Locker randomly dropped them Sunday, I believe Sunday night, and I just happened to be on my monitor waiting for a gold toe restock, I think it was. Or no. I was waiting for a Kobe restock because I got 1.6 and then I was waiting because I kept on restocking the Kobe's because I canceled so many orders. These I ended up picking up on the monitor awkwardly enough, and I got them. Right before this video, they actually restocked them again, but I don't think there was stock. It was really weird. It was saying error, add to cart. I even called them to try and purchase the phone order, which you should do. I've gotten shoes that way, and nothing. So Undefeated kept restocking these. Shout out to Dashi. I got one with Dashi, and I got one with Dashi, and I got two by myself from the monitor. So again, I'm telling you guys, the monitor is the move, and Sneaker Bible is the move. I don't think I mentioned Sneaker Bible at the beginning. It's basically all the questions you guys been asking me in a book. That's what it is. The key to sneakers, the key to reselling. He helps you a lot. My boy Swift Cop. If you want to go buy it, link down below. Use code CleeSneak for $5 off. I believe it's either CleeSneak or MattMyers30, something like that. I'll leave the code on the screen. You guys are gonna want it. I spent my own money on it, and I was asking him, yo, I want to sell this to my subscribers because it's a good product, and it was. It helped me get 3 pairs of creams when I was washed. Now I'm clearly not washed anymore. I've gotten the hang of it, but it definitely takes some time. So, just gonna let you guys know, Sneaker Bible is a great thing to purchase. If you want to do it, definitely I do it. Just use the code. You'll get $5 off. It's like $55. It's like 50 something pages of just like sneaker stuff, like bots, proxies, everything you guys are asking me about. That's what it is. So yeah, we're gonna open these up. This is really nice. I love the undefeated logo. I'm gonna throw this probably on my Chromebook or computer. Oh my god, I love these. These are so much more vibrant in person. These are small size, granted that, but wow. I might have to get these to hoop in. Not even joking. I might consider that. These are really nice. There's the nice undefeated logo right there. They have the Protros. They're basically Kobe 1s with new technology. Is what they're doing. Look at these. So here's the size 13 Protro box. Bang bang. Kobe right there. Now this is a way bigger box and a way bigger shoe. Oh my god, these are huge compared to the other ones. Look at this. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Alright guys, so we're about to hit 10,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you in advance. Before we do, we're probably going to hit it probably within a week or so. I really appreciate it, guys, and just keep on killing it. We're on our way to 10,000. We got some crazy footage coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We're out.